Big up Crosses TV.
I'm mad things that are going over here across this TV.
Me need to just address it the nice way. First and foremost, me not talk between the lines. Me talk exactly to who me address. You Michi, over your life, I talk about me. Listen to me, Michi, no skeleton in my closet. Let me make this clear to you, yeah? Me a dog shit one time, but me a shit one place now. Remember say from always stop fuck you. You no keep no man for 1 year, not even 6 months good. Lady, please don't send for me. I'm in afraid to talk in front of your face or behind your back. Yes, me say you follow me. Everything me do, you follow me. And you follow everybody else. Even the girl in the America, you follow. You say you style icon, you follow everybody. Lady, do not draw me out. You don't have no secret for me. Remember you fuck the whole of the dancehall man them. From Lucky go straight down to natural to each and the old lady himself. All the dead them with that Jamaica you fuck. Do not come for me, lady. Don't come for me. You can't vex me because my brethren fuck you and duck you. And me make the man fuck you and duck you. I did look at you and tell you, say, Michi, sleep with the man and sleep with the man quietly. So now come for me. Do not come for me. Dirty woman. No skeleton, you know, because after the comments I'm over there talk, let me tell you something. Talk something new. When you not come for me with something what I don't talk. No shame, no inna me game. Yeah? Things I'm talk who not be behind closed door. Listen to me and hear me good. Please do not make me come out from a crown that my seat when me depend and address you nasty peasant. You don't come for me. Listen to me and hear me good. Make an address this nice and come up on foot. Dirty Michi, don't over your life and call me name. You and your followers them don't call me name. Yeah? I do not trouble you. And I mean make you keep your party or you want if it work out, it don't work out. You saw me not argue people. Lady, leave me alone. But me not come for them. My address and come off. Listen to me. You and your wall your followers that who talk and talk, only can fuck off. Me not beg none of nothing. Me saying I'm a lane, I'm always true to myself. Me always remain true and humble to myself. Me never act or pretend to be nobody who me is not. Too much time out. Me never have no argument. You come as your party don't as I come argue. Where you come me here for? Lady, how me reaching the same lane? How me and you reaching the same lane? Where you come for me for? Me and a mix and mingle, darling. Me not sleep with nobody for you, not sleep with my man when me in a house and live with. Cause look alive. You're 60 years old, you never keep a man for 3 months good yet. Lady, don't come for me. Remember say me a married type. Remember man marry me a second with me. Me not do run round. Me not walk and sleep round. Now get bright. Addressing name when I call myself style icon. Have no own idea. Stop teeth people. Yes, me say you teeth my idea. Yes, me say you follow me. Come box me in my face. You suck out like dog. Remember you try for maga them like come maga. You bright. Dirty woman. That time I fucking nothing. Me don't see you hear everything. Now come here, come tell me fuck all. But she never call me name. When not tell me nothing. When you please don't come over here, come me black but no, don't come tell me nothing. Do not piss me off. When I come in between or whatever, don't come for me. Me not going nowhere. Me in my bed, lie down nice. In my bed, lie down in my bed with me man, my husband, asleep. Me not come at your party. Me not look upon you. Why you come every time you keep a party? You come the next year, cause more either close or somebody. Lady, don't come for me. Yes, I said you follow, and yes, you do. You follow me, at least me admit if somebody other than them inspire me, I would say, no, this girl inspire me, that girl inspire, that man they inspire me. Who you think you is for better than for follow nobody? Yes, you follow. You want the one recap from the dance come down, so you follow? And you still can't win me. No day, no time. Me not materialistic, lady. Don't come for me. When the dirty self come. Actually, me not trouble this woman you go ever come talk about who. Me not care if you hold one title or what. Me could do a title contest. Where the man them there where you sleep with? Where's the man? You're 60 at year old. Where the man them there? Where the man them see you talk about title? You don't see what my one give me? Ring per finger more than one time. Live with good man. I want to see you idiot. Go from your son go fucking go read a Bible. Me should depend this in a life. Don't do this to me, lady. Don't call me name. Dirty woman go look out and go pray to Father God. You come vex up with me because people fuck you and duck you. Nobody no fuck me and duck me. And a dancer boy, tell them to come call me name. Tell them say, for come call me name and show me say them fuck me. Me no walk on fucky. Move for the blood clot. I'm going to dirty careless life when I come call me name. You know that I'm not argue people. When I stink like. Me come on, that's business. Me I promote and do my own thing. You see me I walk back on a girl. When you see me and me I'm a man, you see. And you see my circle of friend them I'm have. Me don't even follow nobody, me be myself. Me not try to be like nobody. Me sit down and think of my own idea. A long time in this. You go cause you alone for name this and you alone for have talk. None of you can blood clot bully me, you know. The fuck gonna feel like I have no secret for me. None of you know. So all who want comment about member candy, member me talk up me this. None of you never talk, none of you can stab me, none of you can chat, say not no. When me never talk out of me clean mouth. Right there, sir? So hear me I say, who never beat much I now call him, me a blood clot tell you. You Michi, stop walking and vex some people, your dance don't work out good. Yeah? At least the man them where you fuck did come last night, come support you, say thank God. The 50 dancer man them where you fuck them come in there. So you come worry about me. Darling, me can walk anywhere hold up my head. Anywhere. Anywhere at all hold up my head. You're bright. Make we keep the tight pussy competition and see who blood that win. The man now